Are you a business owner in Salt Lake City looking to drive more traffic to your website? Well, you've come to the right place. Welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm Gary, and in today's video we'll explore the power of search engine optimization or SEO in driving traffic to your website. In this video we'll discuss how an SEO company in Salt Lake City can help you achieve your business goal, and what better place to do it than in the beautiful city of Salt Lake. First, let's briefly discuss what SEO is. SEO stands for search engine optimization, and it refers to the process of optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine result pages. This means that when someone searches for a product or service that you offer, your website will appear higher on the search engine result pages, making it more likely for potential customers to click on your website. Studies have shown that the majority of people only click on the first few results on a search engine result page. So if your website doesn't appear on the first page, you're missing out on potential customers. This is where an SEO company comes in. Now, you may be wondering why you need an SEO company in Salt Lake City specifically. A SEO company in Salt Lake City has a team of experts who specialize in understanding search engine algorithms and optimizing websites accordingly. They have in-depth knowledge of keywords, backlinks, and other important factors that contribute to a website's ranking in search engine result pages. Most importantly, SEO is a specialized field that requires a deep understanding of the local market and its unique characteristics. An SEO company in Salt Lake City will have the knowledge and expertise to tailor your SEO strategy to the specific needs of your target audience in that particular area. So now the question comes, what does a Salt Lake City SEO company do? So let's delve into what a Salt Lake City SEO company can do for you. Here are some of the key areas they'll focus on. The first thing is keyword research. They'll identify the search terms your ideal customers use to find businesses like yours. Imagine targeting mountain bike rental Salt Lake City instead of just bikes. Next comes on-page optimization. This involves optimizing your website content, titles, and meta descriptions to include those juicy keywords. It's like making your website a magnet for those search terms. Then comes the part of technical SEO. This ensures your website is technically sound and easy for search engines to crawl and understand. Think of it as building a strong foundation for your website. And next comes local SEO. Here in Salt Lake City, local optimization is crucial. They'll ensure your Google My Business listing is complete, optimized for local keyword, and build citations from other Salt Lake City websites. Then comes the part of content marketing, creating high quality, informative content that attracts visitors and positions you as an expert. Blog posts about top camping spots near Salt Lake City or essential backpacking gear for Utah's trails. And then comes link building. Earning backlinks from high authority websites in Salt Lake City boosts your website's credibility and ranking power. Imagine getting featured on a popular Salt Lake City outdoor adventure blog. So, why exactly should you consider hiring an SEO company in Salt Lake City? Let's take a look at some of the top benefits. The first one being focus on core business. Allows businesses to focus on their core competences while outsourcing SEO tasks to experts, freeing up time as well as resources. Next is private label services. The ability to offer SEO solutions under the client's brand, enhancing brand reputation as well as credibility. And then there is the results-driven approach. Implementation of data-driven strategies and continuous monitoring to deliver measurable results and ROI for clients. And then comes the part of long-term partnership. Building a long-term relationship with clients based on trust, transparency, and consistent delivery of high-quality SEO services. You can't ignore expertise. Access to a team of experienced professionals well-versed in local SEO strategies tailored to the Salt Lake City market. Now the question is, how long does organic SEO take to show results? The timeline for organic SEO results varies depending upon several factors, including the competitiveness of keywords, the website's existing authority, the quality of the web content, and the effectiveness of optimization efforts. Generally, significant improvements may be noticed within a few months, but it often takes 6 months to a year to see substantial results. Patience is the key, as organic SEO is a gradual process that requires consistent effort, monitoring, and adaptation to algorithm updates. Continuous optimization and quality content creation are essential for sustaining and improving organic search rankings over a period of time. Since SEO is a continuous process, you should count on your efforts to produce results right away. Although SEO demands a larger initial investment of time and money, its results are sustained over extended length of time. Here are some of the key reasons why you should consider Salt Lake City for your SEO services needs. Firstly is highly skilled workforce. Then there is global exposure. Then focus on innovation. And of course, scalability. And finally, proven track record. If you consider Softtrix for your SEO services, we offer comprehensive SEO packages tailored for the US, UK or Australian market with proven experience and a client-centric approach. Partnering with Softtrix means assessing cutting-edge strategies, transparent communication, and dedicated support, ensuring your clients' online success and business growth. With 15 plus years of industry experience, serving over 50 plus agencies, and managing over 5,000 plus digital marketing projects, we have helped clients to increase organic traffic by almost 800% and achieve 90% page ranking for targeted keywords. We offer complete consultation and guidance. We rely on industry-leading paid tools including Ahrefs and SEMrush along with SE ranking. We also offer weekly and monthly reporting in white label format. Here is one of our clients talking about our services.
We have a digital marketing company that I manage, and the technical side of the SEO on-site and off-site is I run a team, and this company has been fantastic. They've been great communication, on time.
In conclusion, partnering with an SEO company in Salt Lake City is the key to unlocking the full potential of your online presence. With their local expertise, targeted strategies, and commitment to delivering results, you can actually elevate your website's visibility, attract qualified traffic, and achieve sustainable growth for your business. Don't miss out on the opportunity to dominate search engine rankings and stand out in the competitive digital landscape with professional SEO services tailored to your needs. If you have any questions or queries related to SEO outsourcing, feel free to ping us through our website or WhatsApp number given on the screen. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information.